the first 450 to earn points on his rider license is no surprise to me, Vince Friese. Now, if you missed this, he finished 17th in the San Diego Supercross, and the reason he earned the 2 points on his license was because, quote, he disregarded the blue flag and blue flag protocol on multiple occasions during the main event. Now, obviously, finishing 17th, that means you are towards the back of the pack, and the guys, Tomac, Roxon, Hunter Lawrence, all the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the top guys are going to be lapping the end of the field. Now, if you, for some reason, don't understand what the blue flag means, basically it means you're slow, get out of the way. For layman's terms, right? When they wave the blue flag towards you, that means the faster riders, the people on the lead lap that are, again, at the top, are coming past. And for all intents and purposes, either hold your line or get out of the race line so that they can pass you easily. Now, if you do this so much that you've received a penalty by not listening to them, that's bad. That's just basically saying you are horrible. And right there, this is from Racer X. A historically rare race direction penalty was issued to Vince Friese for disregarding the blue flag and blue flag protocol. So basically, he just didn't listen. And the funny thing is, he gets a warning and 2 points. I don't understand why this isn't like a fine, but I guess whatever. And if you missed, obviously, Hayden Deegan was the first person to earn a point on his license, and that's for not doing a TV interview, which is stupid to me that something like that can earn it, but this kind of thing can, because this is during the race. This is something that affects the race. If you're, a guy in first and you're pretty close to the guy in second, or the guy in second is close to you, and you get stuck behind a lapper, it can affect the race. You can get stuck in a line. You can get, if you're jumping, whatever. There's bad things that can happen from that. Whether it's lap time things or, crash things. And it's honestly no surprise to me that Vince Friese would be the first person to get a penalty like this. It's just, to me, it's stupid at this point. Like, the amount of trouble he causes while he races is hilarious. But I don't know, this one to me makes sense. Like, it's a racing thing. So this is when your rider license, quote unquote, should be affected. Things that are outside the track should not affect your rider license because it's not something you've done while riding. That's at least my opinion on it. But that's where I'm going to leave you guys. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. Earned, well-deserved. You don't like him like I do, whatever. What'd you think of San Diego? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform lets you do because it does really help me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.